Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Thing from Wednesday Addams. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Thing from Wednesday, let's begin right up here at the top of the wrist. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve across here. Next, we're going to make two lines that come down. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down like this. And then we'll do the same thing here, just kind of come out and then down. Now, starting here, we'll make the pinky. So we're going to come down and then bring it down again. And then we will just curve it around and bring it up. Now, we're going to kind of make that same shape with the next finger. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come down farther. But you can see it's a little bit longer. We're going to curve it back up and then kind of follow that shape. Now I'll do a little bit of a curved line there, and we'll make another line here. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come down just a little bit farther, and we're just going to bring it up to here. Now this time I'm going to put a bigger curve shape right there. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, not quite as far. And then we're going to come up to here. Next I'm going to bring this line out, and then I'm going to curve it up here for where the thumb would be. Now I'm going to add a little curved line here on each one of these fingers for the fingernails. So we'll just add some little kind of curved lines. And then I'm not going to put one on the thumb just because of the angle that it's at. Next I'm going to add some little curved lines on here, kind of like where the knuckles would be. And then I'm going to make a couple little bumps up here as well, to kind of show where the other knuckles are. Right across the top here, let's make a line, and then we're going to add a bunch of little lines going up and down for some stitches. We're going to do a little line on this finger and do the same thing. Then we're going to draw a line that comes down to here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down to here. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just put all these little stitches on there. Then we'll make one more line here with some more stitches. Then I'm just going to make a little broken line or two on the sides. And then a couple little broken lines coming up on the sides here for some details. And there you go, there is your drawing of Thing from the new Wednesday Addams show. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.